I grew ever closer to them, captured by the magic of their light. I felt connected to them, our souls intertwined. But in this place, highest peaks are tied to deepest valleys. From time to time their lights would go out. They became lost to me, and I felt too much. The pain too real, the grief too sharp and bitter. Why must things change? Why can't things just go on the way they are? I clung desperately to them, trying to freeze time as it passed. I cursed the power that brought me here and yearned to be numb again. I became bound by my own pain, set adrift by my own pity and anger. On the very edge of abandoning this world forever, I felt something wash over me, like a slow, tranquil wave. A soft wind rustled through my hair, then a soft and gentle voice whispered in my ear, saying, to truly hold something is to let it go.
Oh my God.